Hi, this is Griffin with Huisen Furniture. Today we're going to be building the 3-shelf bookcase. This is in our white finish and it can be found in stores at Walmart. Before we start, you want to make sure that none of your panels have any damage and that you have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can call the number on the front of the manual and we'll get you taken care of. If everything is in order, then we can begin assembly. For step 1, grab your A1 panel and B1 panel in 8 wooden dowel pieces. You're going to insert 2 wooden dowels into each side on these inner 2 pre-drilled holes. For step 2, we're going to keep our B1 panel out and then grab this F1 panel, 2 wooden dowel pieces, and 2 of these longer screws. They are the number 5 screws. So we're going to insert our 2 wooden dowel pieces into the F panel on the side where there's 4 pre-drilled holes. We're going to insert those into the outer 2 holes. We'll then attach it to the B panel. Then we're going to secure it with these 2 screws. In step 3, we're going to keep this assembly we just worked on, your D1 panel and A1 panel. Then you're going to need 4 of your screw 1s and 4 caps. So we can start by positioning our A1 panel with the unfinished side facing up. And then we want the D1 panel also with its unfinished side facing up. And then we want these little 2 stoppers on the end down here by the B1 panel. So you can insert those wooden dowel pieces in and then secure it on this outer side with 2 screws. Once you've attached those 2 screws, you can then cover them up with these 2 caps. Next, we're going to position our B1 panel so that this little F piece is facing towards the bottom of the unit and the unfinished side is facing up. Then secure with 2 screws and cover with the 2 caps. For step 4, we're going to do the same thing but with our C1 panel. So position it with the unfinished side facing up, and then these little stoppers down here by the B1 panel. You can go ahead and attach it using those wooden dowel pieces. Now we're going to use our 4 screw 1s and 4 caps on each of the 4 pre-drilled holes. For step 5, we're going to grab our G back panel, the nails, and this new little nail holder piece. You're going to want to align the back panel so that wherever you nail in on these pre-drilled holes, it's going to go into the middle of all these edges. Simply insert your nail into the little holder. Put this edge up against the edge of the unit. Now that we've attached this back panel that's very important for stability, we can go ahead and stand our unit up. So now for step 6, you're going to want to grab your little shelf holders, and you want to place 4 of them all at the same level. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 up, and then on this one I'm going to go 4 down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can grab your 2 shelves, which are the E panels, and you want to make sure you insert it so that the finished side is facing out. And with that, your unit is now complete.